What's up, guys? This is Yang. A lot of you guys have been asking me what me and my bro ride, so this is my bike. Start at the top. First, I got some Animal Presidentials 8.5 Rise, Colt Vans grips, got some Shadow Deadbolt bar ends on there. My stem is a Primo Aneyerlator stem. My headset Primo. Moving down, got some Shadow forks. I just have my stock We the People wheel on right now. Got some Demolition Fat Boys 2.35 in the front and rear. Alright. My frame, it's a Subrosa Villicus V2. Moving down, Animal V3 Sprocket, Primo Hollowbites, and right now I have some Shadow PC pedals. Fiend Fat Denim seat, and back here I got a Cinema VX hub. Got that VX hub guard on there, and Animal MK3 pegs in front and back. Yeah, guys, that's my bike. I love it. It's about 22 pounds, and I'll let you guys hear the sound. Alright, hope you guys liked. Like, rate, comment, subscribe. Do what you gotta do, bitches.